So guys, what we're doing today, pretty better. But yeah, we're getting rid of the waffles for some 19s. So, Jesus. Should be off the ground now. It's off the ground. That one's still on the ground. Front still off the ground. Jack stands are still good. Yep. And go up some more. Alright, there we go. This side's off the ground. This side's off the ground. Yeah. It's off also. That's good. Okay. Gotta do your little jack stand shape test. As y'all can see, it's not really trying to go up much more. But that side's off the ground. That side's barely off. Now it's off the ground. The Jacks Max, those are off the ground. Yep. I need something to put up under there. So guys, we were taking the wheel off, and as y'all know, I change wheels a lot, so yeah. Snapped off a stud there, so we're gonna have to put one in. I'm choosing to do this right now because I have to meet the guy to trade wheels at like 7 o'clock tonight, so these studs are placed. Yeah, but we got the front off the ground. I might have to take a stud off of this, but it shouldn't be too hard. Not driving the car at the moment anyway, so it's crazy. I ordered some studs, but they only didn't give me the right amount. And now, look at me, I need a stud, so we're just taking it. Oh, for real. These 19s, boy. Yeah, I'm gonna get this off and I'll do that. Alright guys, we're getting rid of the waffles. These are here. Subaru guy gave us a ride. Subaru guy right there gave us a ride. You can smell the coolant that you spilled strongly. But yeah guys, we sitting at the truck stop changing tires. Bye bye to the waffles. So guys, wheel trade is done. Oh, let me get you guys a flashlight. We can see. Okay, wheel trade is done. See, we got the wheels back on some real wheels. These are 5s again. They're like an old racing type of wheel, but you can see no rash, brand new tires. From what I know, it doesn't rub. It doesn't. If it rubs, it's gonna rub that tab, which I'm fine with that. So. And yeah, that one, if that rubs, I'm fine with that too. But yeah guys, that's that.